Why do 80% of people believe in a nuclear-free future? Let's dive into why it matters. The International Day Against Nuclear Tests, observed every August 29th, is a stark reminder of the devastating effects these tests have on our planet. Nuclear explosions don't just harm the environment, they pose severe health risks to humans and animals, leaving a legacy of radioactive pollution. Imagine a world where we no longer live under the shadow of nuclear threats. This day isn't just about awareness, it's a call to action for global peace and security. The Comprehensive Nuclear Test Ban Treaty, CTBT, aims to end all nuclear testing, but it needs the backing of every nation with nuclear capabilities. We need to push for change, to advocate for a safer nuclear-free world. Together we can protect our planet and ensure a peaceful future for generations to come. Let's make August 29th more than just a date on the calendar. Let's make it a turning point. Join the movement. Share this message. Be the change.